Hello students, welcome once again. Today we are solving our workshop of 5th standard of our first poem. We have learned the poem before and here we are going to see what is the workshop is. Look at that words. These are new words for you. We have already learnt all that words, but still we are looking for that. Blaze, it means bright flame of fire. Trundling, moving on small broad wells. Mounds, heap or pile. Frosty fish, chilled drink making a hissing bubbling sound. Cluster, gather around, or group of similar things. So these are the words and their meanings are given here on your textbook. Look at that next question. In reading is a fun. In which season is ice cream popular? While teaching this poem, I told you which is the popular season for ice cream. Let's look at the answer. In which season is ice cream popular? Answer: ice cream is popular in summer season. Okay, then look at that next question. Question number 2. Who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? Who feels joyful? And answer is children feel joyful on seeing the ice cream man. Okay, let's see question number 3. Name the different flavors of ice cream the ice cream man has in his cart. We have seen it. There are many flavors of ice cream in the ice cream man cart. Let's see, the answer was the ice cream man has vanilla, chocolate and strawberry flavors of ice cream in his cart. Once again I repeat, the ice cream man has vanilla, chocolate and strawberry flavors of ice cream in his cart. Just look at for the next question. What are the two things that ice cream man is selling? It means what are the two things that ice cream man is selling? And the answer is ice cream man is selling ice cream and chilled drinks from the bottles of Frosty Fish. He is selling ice creams and chilled drinks. Okay, look at that question number 7. What is the ice cream cart compared to in the poem? Ice cream cart compared to in the poem. I told you that ice cream cart has been compared to a flower bed. Look at that word, flower bed. It is compared with flower bed in the poem. Okay, next we will go again in our textbook and look for next question. Let's see. Let's write having an ice cream on a hot summer day is exciting and enjoyable. In a hot summer day, having an ice cream is really enjoyable. So write about some of the exciting and enjoyable things that one can do in the winter season. We have learned about summer days and how enjoyable ice cream is. But here you have to write what are the exciting and enjoyable things that one can do in a winter season. Here I have given answer for you. Look at that answer. Having an ice cream on a hot summer day is exciting and enjoyable. Write about some of the exciting and enjoyable things that one can do in the winter season. Here I have written disclaimer because this is a sample answer. Students are advised to write the answer based on their own personal experience and observations. Okay, means you can write your answers by your own personal experience and your observations. Here I have given a sample answer for you. We can go for ice skating in winter season. In winter, if there was ice, you can go for ice skating. Again, we can do ice climbing. Third one, we can play ice hockey also, or we can engage in do sledding activities, sledging activities, and we can go for ski jumping in ice. So we can do these activities. Also you can write your own experience while writing this question. Okay, look at the next question in our textbook. List as many summer activities as you can. What are the summer activities you are doing in summer? Here the picture was given for you. The boy was swimming in the water. Okay, let's see. I have given answer to you. Here also I have written, this is a sample answer. Students are advised to write the answer based on their personal experience and observations. Look at the answer. You can play with cards. I think you are all playing with cards in this lockdown period. Also you would play carom, river rafting, ice skating if may be there, and swimming also. You can write as many as ideas of your own. Okay, here I have given some of options to you. Then again we will go for the next question. Now group these activities into indoor and outdoor that we have do in summer and winter. Okay, now you have to make the groups of the activities in indoor activities and outdoor activities. Again I have given you answer of it. Answer for you is C, indoor activities. Look at that, indoor activities. Which are the indoor activities? Playing carom means play carom, play cards, etc. And outdoor activities are, look at these activities, swimming, ice skating, and river rafting. So you can easily make that difference between indoor activities and outdoor activities. Okay, see, again say aloud. The next question is for you. What is that? Let's see. Circle the words where you get a Z sound. One is done for you. Circle the word where you get Z sound at the end, like that. Honeybees, Z, Z sound. Z sound is that. Okay. So here words are given for you like prize, prize, maze, face, rise, rise, blaze, fizz, lazy, lassie, busy, racy, raise, raise, race, as, chase, this, these, and frosty. So from this list of words you have to find out the sound Z. Okay, here I have given you the answer of it. Look at that, and answer is all that words we have read before are here I have mentioned, and here answer for you. I have made a table and made rounds around the words that make Z sound at the end. Okay, look at that word: prize, maze, blaze, fizz, lazy, busy, raise, raise, chase, etc. So these all rounded words or circle words are having sound z. Okay, let's see next question on the next page. Here, let's listen and tell the sound that these words in the poem produce. Means you have to tell which sound that following word produce in the poem. Again and again, here sub question is there, can you make this sound? Yes, you can. You can make the sound that I will tell you. What that card made the sound, I have an answer for you. Okay, look at that. Here, look at that. Cart produces sound of rolling, khad 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 khad, like that. Okay, drinks produces bubbling sound. When you open the drinks, bubbles comes out, and therefore bubbling sound is produced by drinks. Okay, you can make the sound of these words. Okay, all the students have to read the words loudly and make the note of sound that words make. Okay, let's see for another question. Next question, what are some of the different sound you hear when ice cream man comes? Oh, you are well familiar with this. You should know that what kind of voices or sounds we appear or hear when ice cream man comes. Look at that answer. I have made the answer for you, and answer is, again, this is the sample answer. Remember students, this is the sample answer. You can write your own experience and observations. Okay, here when ice cream man comes, these sounds are produced like tring tring or ting ting. Okay, very nice. Okay, let's see the next question. Here, find out and write a report. Next question was, find out and write a report. Here is the report on Uncle Lal's farm. Students, from this we are going to learn report writing. We have to write some reports like newspaper reports. You have to be a reporter here, students. Okay, let's see. First example is given for you in your textbook. Okay, let's see, we will read it. Here is the report on Uncle Lal's farm. See, father took me to visit Uncle Lal's dairy farm. One of the boy like you went to the Uncle Lal's farm, and here he is writing the report on Uncle Lal's farm, and the first sentence is, father took me to visit Uncle Lal's dairy farm. I saw all of Uncle Lal's cows. He has 50 cows. They eat grass in the big green farms. In the evening, the farmers bring them to barn to be milk. Uncle Lal sells his milk in the city. Okay, so this is the short report written by one of the guy like you. Okay, students, so here we are going to learn to write report writing. Okay, so while writing report, you should remember following things. What are that things? Okay, look, think of good little. While writing, you should have to think good little. Write it correctly. You have to observe very perfectly and write it correctly. Keep to your subject. Don't write the things from here and there. You should have to write on your subject, to the point. Okay, tell things in the right order, means sequence. You have to pay attention on sequence of writing things. make your paper look neat, and on you are writing on a paper, you should have to neat your paper. You have to put your paper neatly. Okay, so these are the things you have to remember while writing a report. Students, let's see. In groups 4, write a report on different brands of ice. Sorry, write a report on different brands of ice cream available in your area. You have to write a report on ice cream brands that are available in your area. You may use following clues. What are that clues are? Write with a short introduction which contains the topic. You have to write first introduction on the topic, then list the ice cream brands available in your area. Then next say which are the common flavors of ice cream in each of the brands. Then under each brand find out which flavors are being sold the most. Also find out their prices. Finally, write which do you think is the most popular ice cream. Finally, you have to write which is the popular ice cream in your area. Look at that, two boys enjoying ice cream. Oh, what a nice picture it is. Okay, let's see. I have prepared a short report for you. Okay, let's see. You will try your own at your home too. Okay, look at that report that I have made for you. Okay, this, look at this. This is a sample answer again, students. Okay, I advise you that write the answer based on your own experience and observations. Okay, thank you. Ice cream in the corner means at your locality. Look at that short report. Ice cream is one of the favorite desserts of almost everyone. Ice cream is available in a number of flavors. There are number of ice cream brands available in my area. Some of them are Amul, Mother Dairy, Vadilal and Vinto. These are the brands. Chocolate, pineapple, strawberry are the common flavors of ice cream in each of brands. What are the various flavors are there? Chocolate, pineapple, strawberry. According to the survey taken, Amul's Kesar Pista flavored ice cream is sold the most in the market. Oh, I think you all love that. Okay, let's see. It comes at rupees 80. Here I mention approximately. Mother Dairy's chocolate fudge ice cream is sold the most market, and that price is rupees 110. It is also approximately price I have mentioned here. According to me, vanilla ice cream is the most popular of all of them. It is enjoyed almost by everyone. So this report is a short report and it is for sample, like you should write your own report on the given points, my friends. Okay, students, we have to end our session here. We will solve other questions in our next session of our first poem. Okay, thank you.